program is being brought to you by Jollibee, atin ang langhap sarap.
And by Pure Foods Tender Juicy Hot Dog.
May pansit Pinoy, palabok fiesta. Ngayon'y tinimplahan na ng bagong sarsa. Hipon, tinapa, chicharon at iba pa. Sa Jollibee, tikman nyo na palabok fiesta.
Bea, say done. Say bear. Bea, Mom, look!
From then till now, one company has helped to bring our thoughts and feelings to life.
Hello? Hi, Mom. Anak! Congratulations. We're so proud of you. I miss you all. Oh, here, you talk to Bea. Hi, Bea.
PLDT, touching lives.
Tayo maglaro sa Jollibee? Gusto mo ba sa Jollibee? Yes, I do! My Jollibee, I love you! Jollibee, at ang sarap.
Uy, Suki! Para sa bago't matamis na orange, tingnan ang balat, oh! Ganun din sa pagpili ng orange drink. Kung hanap ay bago't matamis, tingnan ang balat. Tang, may improved natural taste. Bago ang sarap. Parang piniga ang natural na tamis ng purong-purong oranges. Masustansya pa.
Suki, pahingi pa ng tang!
Sagot ko yan. Maghalo man ang balat sa tinalupan.
Tang with improved natural taste. Purong-purong orange ang sarap.
Tayo maglaro sa Jollibee? Gusto mo ba sa Jollibee? Yes, I do! My Jollibee, I love you! Jollibee, at ang sarap.
PLDT presents Sandaang Biyaya, Sandaang Pasasalamat.
All are stars. All out entertainment. All power. Ito na nga ang pinakahiganting pagsasama-sama ng mga pinakasikat, pinakamaningning, pinakamaiinit at pinakamalalaking artista ng GMA para ipagdiwang ang pinakamalakas na transmitter sa balat ng lupa. Sandaang Biyaya, Sandaang Pasasalamat. Experience the power for yourselves. This Saturday, 9 p.m. Only here in the Philippines' best network, GMA.
This special is also brought to you by New Palmolive Naturals with cocoa milk and Breeze XL Plus.
Savor the goodness of Pampango and other Filipino favorites while dining al fresco in the middle of fishing grounds at the Rings Barbecue and Restaurant. Make it your habit to dine at their 2 branches in Pasig. For details, call 641-1058.
This program is being brought to you by Jollibee, atin ang langhap sarap.